What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And the TRX announcement came back. Hey, I told you so. The horsepower numbers have come out, 777. It does kind of crap on the Raptor, but there might be some bigger things coming. We're going to talk about all that and more right after this. So welcome on back to TK's Garage. And so the TRX is official. Myself and Butter the Insider, OC Motivator, we've been telling you this for, 6 to 8 months that this was coming and that it wasn't going anywhere. I mean, that it wasn't, not going to return, that it was 100% coming back. But nobody believed it. Funny how that works. I guess we're right again. Speaking of TRXs, our Ram TRX giveaway with still lit lighting solutions is still going on, and those 1000X entries are drying up. There's not many left. So if you want to get in on that Ram TRX, now's the time to do it. Best way to do that is by going to tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com, and you can see it listed right there. That's not the only thing we have. We also have the SRT Challenger 392. There is no more 1000X entries on that. The BMW M5 does still have extra entries up. So all of those are listed at tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. But the Ram TRX, we want to thank Still Lit Lighting Solutions for bringing that to us. Now, getting into this, so 777 horsepower, that basically makes that the most powerful and the fastest production truck that you can buy on the planet today. Why does it matter? Well, Dodge, Ram, Chrysler, Jeep, or Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, however you want to say it, have always been known as the brands that push the envelope. And they got laughed at a little bit before Project Hellcat because all they had was the SRT8, while, Chevy was doing what they were doing, and Ford had the supercharged Mustangs, the GT500 and whatnot. And I think FCA at that time learned a lesson. Now, FCA is now part of Stellantis, but I think they learned a lesson, and they messed up again and brought in the whole electric era. And we saw how much of a disaster that was, and they're still paying for it, believe it or not. But you see all of that happen. And then the resurrection. Well, they said, don't call it a resurrection. That's what they've said. They said, don't call it a resurrection. But what does this put the RHO? Like, who's buying that truck with the TRX out? I don't think very many people are buying that truck now. But 777 horsepower, what I'm also being told is that there will be stage kits available to make that truck even more powerful than what it is, which is already the most powerful production truck that you can get on the market. That is absolutely insane. But I leave the question to you. Are you interested in the new TRX, that 777 horsepower? Is it that much of an upgrade over the existing TRX, the previous generation TRX? I don't know. I mean, I guess the one benefit you get from buying the new TRX is if you buy the stage kits later, you get to increase the horsepower but keep the factory warranty. Most of us that buy these vehicles really don't give a shit about a warranty because we're going to tune them and do all kinds of stuff to them out the gate. So, but I leave the question to you. Are you excited about the relaunch or the revival of the Ram TRX? Because I am. I think it was needed. But yeah, 777 horsepower, 3.5 seconds, 0 to 60, and something that big, that thing's about to be a problem on the streets. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Go to tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com if you want to get in on the Ram TRX that we're doing the giveaway with Still Lit Lighting Solutions. And until next time, stay petty, my friends.